How to shop with points in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can shop with different points and rewards. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see your account. Tap on your account. Now slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find the option called Shop with Points. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can directly purchase products with points. So how do you get the points? Obtained when we purchase different type of products from this application. So either it can be through debit or credit card or through different services it is provided. So you can directly collect them and later use in while purchasing a product. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.